You're here for a reason.
Whether you know it yet or not.
Maybe you're the one who will shape our skylines.
Advance our atoms.
Protect our pulse.
Or champion sustainability.
But how can you turn who you're supposed to be
into who you are?
Go to a place where learning isn't bogged down in theory, but driven by reality.
Where titans of industry can double as mentors.
Where time is spent advancing humanity
instead of just certain humans.
Follow us.
Through the wildest wonders,
deepest dimensions,
and over the powers that be, to be the power society needs.
With a greater understanding of the real world,
we are creating a new one.
From here, you will dream, then do.
Understand,
then unite.
Learn, then live the life you were meant to.
Purpose applied.